God. He's huge, honey. He's big. Come on, stay with it. Stay with it.
This is definitely over 25, I think.
No kidding. He certainly is. The fish of your life. Here it comes.
And it is a bull, too.
Yes, it is.
I can see his head.
Come on. Jump for us. Jump for us. Swimming along with the float.
That makes it hard because he's broadside, makes it really hard.
Yep, that's all right. Stay with it. Keep tight.
I should go the other way.
Here comes the leader. Here comes the leader. All right. Cut the leader. Caught fish.
Yep.
All right. Come on.
A ver, frente. Show my friend wheel.
Come out of the...
Here it comes. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Keep with it, honey.
I'm trying to. It's coming out of my belt.
Just do it. Do it. It's right here.
I know.
Right here.
The belt is so loose.
Don't worry about it. It's real. Here's what you gotta do.
Put the GoPro in the water.
Can you get it in the water, Heidi? All right. I can't go any further.
Ready for jump?
There he goes. Beautiful fish.
Dale, dale, dale. De frente.
All right, we got him. Woo! Watch the feet. Watch the feet. Watch the feet.
Yeah, my friend.
All right. Thank you. That's with you. That's with you, buddy. How about that?
Yes, we are. Oh my God.
How about that?
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, fish. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh,
Look at this one.
yes, we're going to keep this rolling. We're going to get a photo of this. Oh my God.
This thing's at least, what do you think, 35? Or more?
Maybe 40.
40 pounds?
Oh my goodness gracious.
So, how am I going to hold that up for a picture?
You are going to hold that up. Give me your hat. Give me your hat. Or are you going to hold on to it? Can you put it on? What do you want to do?
Fantastic. I'd eat it. Big fish.
Where's the stick? Bang, bang. Where's your... Oh. Antonio. Pop, pop, pop. On the cabeza. Pop, pop, pop. Okay, on the cabeza. How can I help? Give me something to hold. Pop, pop, pop. Oh, hit it. Okay. That's it. Yes. Damn right.
Yes, Captain, I'm telling you.
Oh my God. Jim has waited all his life for this.
Yes.
Can you translate that to Espanol? Tell him, Jim has waited all his life for this.
For a fish this big.
For a dolphin this big.
Yeah.
Tell him in Espanol, please.
What?
Diga, Jim has waited all his life for this.
For a dolphin this
for
big.
This fish right here.
Es el primero de él, el grande.
Oh my God.
Here.
Oh.
Well, still alive. Good luck. You're gonna have to help me.
Yeah, get a picture. Oh, you're gonna get your own picture. Okay, here.
Whoa! He's still alive. Yeah. He's not dead yet.
Grab it. Grab hold of it and hug it, Jim. Hug it. Hug it. Yes. Hug it. Yes. Hug it.
This thing's definitely on. Still. Jeez.
Oh, yes! Yes!
Don't lose your teeth.